is the latest Hercules model in operational flying state. Looks just the same as an ordinary Hercules, except it hasn't got the long-range tanks underneath. Unlike the Royal Air Force older models, it hasn't got the in-flight refueling probe. And what you can't see, in fact, is it's got a totally different engine setup. It's got the Rolls-Royce Allison A2100D3 turboprops, much more powerful, and it's got a 6-bladed composite. I thought the sort of short, dumpy one would be called the Mark IV, but it isn't. It's the Mark V, because the stretch version is the Mark IV. So again, with the new J models, we've got both of the types. Now, what's been happening while the aircraft's coming to land? With about 15 seconds ago, the captain has ordered brace. There are 2 vehicles on board, the engines are running. The restraints, some of them will have been released, and we're waiting until the aircraft finally gets on the ground, uses a powerful Allison engine to put into reverse thrust, slow it down. The A-man with the mobile team on board, final parts of the restraints. You'll see that at the back of the Hercules, those of you down to the left, you'll see that the rear ramp door is already coming down. Typical things you can see sticking up are the tow ramps. Once the main ramp is down, you'll see 2 guys leap out, push those down, and out will come 2 fairly hostile looking Land Rovers. Now, the last thing you want to do is keep an aircraft on the ground, because it obviously is a target. So as soon as those vehicles are out, you see the tow ramps going straight back up again, guys leaping on board the ramp. If it's a very short airfield, then of course in-flight refueling, though at the moment the in-flight refueling probe is not fitted, so they can put it on until the oxygen whether they need it for the storage. Amazing with these new engines, new propellers, the J model can reach 28,000 feet. Time to have coffee on the Comey. Flight attendant Trevor Waller is flying the aircraft today. He's an instructor on the J training flight. Flown the Hercules for 9 years, 4 of them on the J. Sitting beside him is flight attendant. He came within the air defence systems of the airfield. Once they were safely inside, they then used this very vicious looking approach to descend on the runway. On many occasions they would literally just dump the stuff out of the back and get airborne again with a tactical climb out. That would leave the aircraft actually technically vulnerable on the runway for less than 1 minute.